Today, I'll walk you through a simple but super effective way to take control of your browsing experience. We're going to learn how to disable extensions in Google Chrome. By the end of this tutorial, you'll not only know how to switch off any extension you don't need, but you'll also understand why this matters for both speed and privacy, and have the confidence to tidy up your browser just like a pro. So, let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you've got your Google Chrome browser open. This is, of course, the place where all your favorite bookmarks, saved passwords, and yes, those handy or sometimes pesky extensions live. If you haven't launched Chrome yet, go ahead and open it up now. Once you're in Chrome, take a look up at the top right corner of your browser window. You'll spot a little icon that looks like a gray puzzle piece. That's Google's way of gathering all your extensions in one spot. Think of it as your browser's toolbox. Sometimes, extensions hide up there if you have a lot installed. So if you don't see it immediately, look for those three dots, the More menu, and try expanding it. Now, give that puzzle piece icon a click. This will open up a small dropdown showing you all the extensions that are currently active or accessible in Chrome. You'll notice right away which ones you're using regularly, and maybe a few you didn't even realize were switched on. Next, among the available options in that dropdown, you'll want to click Manage Extensions. Don't worry if you've never been here before. Google makes it pretty friendly. This will take you to a new tab where you'll see a full list of every extension installed on your browser, whether they're visible up top or not. Think of this like your browser's control room, where you can get a clear overview of what's running behind the scenes. Now, here's where you get to do a bit of spring cleaning. For each extension listed, you'll notice a little toggle button right next to its name. If the toggle is blue, the extension is turned on. If it's gray, it's off. To disable an extension that you no longer need or just want to turn off temporarily, simply click that toggle and watch it switch off instantly. That's it. You've just disabled an extension. The nice thing here is you're not uninstalling it. You're just switching it off. So, if you ever need it again, you can simply toggle it back on. Super easy, no need to reinstall or remember what it was called. Don't worry if you're not sure which extensions to disable. It's a good idea to leave on the ones you use frequently, like an ad blocker or password manager. But you might be surprised how many extras are running without you needing them. Disabling unused extensions can help Chrome run faster and avoid conflicts that sometimes slow down your browser or cause websites to misbehave. If in doubt, switch one off, use Chrome for a while, and see if you miss anything. And that's really all there is to it. Disabling extensions in Chrome takes just a few clicks, but it can make your browsing feel smoother and safer. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And let me know in the comments below if you have any questions or need help with a particular extension. And of course, don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss any more easy practical tech guides like this one. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.